Today we're going to talk about the three most important elements in the sale of a home regardless of the location. First, we're going to look at the realistic price in Realtor, which basically means that if we use the help of a qualified realtor, he will advise us to use a price that is realistic based on the quality of our home and comparable sales that have taken place in the last 30 to 60 days for similar qualities in proximity to our location. In doing so, we're going to ensure that our home is going to sell within 14 to 21 days as opposed to sitting on the market and not selling at all because the price was set at $50 to $75 higher than the average price per square foot in the neighborhood. Number two, staging and renovations. If we know that our home is in need of repairs because of deferred maintenance in terms of landscaping, the porch, and any other part of the house, it would be in our best interest to actually listen to our qualified realtor that has access to tradespeople and can bring in expertise that will allow you to spend, let's say, $4,000 to $6,000 to gain an extra $5,000 to $7,000 on top of the money you spend by making the right repairs on your home. Number three, vendor-paid advertising is very, very crucial, and studies have shown that if you spend 0.5 to 1% on the sale of your home, you should expect to get back 50 to 125% of the money you spend. What do I mean by that? If you spend $10,000, you should expect to receive back anywhere between $15,000 to $12,500 over the amount of money you spend. Basically, a good formula to use, anywhere between 50 cents on the dollar to 1.25 cents on the dollar should be the extra money you should expect to receive. The reason I'm saying that is this. There is a portion of the market that is composed of passive buyers. Passive buyers make up about 30% of the market. If you only allow your agent, your realtor, to advertise on the internet, you're missing out on 30% of the market. By allocating an advertising budget, you cover that portion of the market that actually has the most borrowing power that will fetch the best possible price of your home. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call or send me a text message or contact me via my website on the information found on the whiteboard. Thank you and have a wonderful day.